Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn like in the range of 100, 200, $300 just by, okay, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to reveal that website. It's a website through, it's basically you're going to make money out of Google. That's the whole concept of today's video. You're going to make money out of Google and through this website, which I'm going to reveal you. That's a basic website where you're going to go and find out all these ways where you can make that money, and then it will going to guide you to the different websites through which I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm just going to straight go into the website and reveal you that website, and then we can go ahead. Okay, so okay, before that I jump on, I want to request, I really totally appreciate if you can subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will help me to grow my channel, and I totally appreciate that. Okay, so I'm sure you will not be disappointed with the videos I do. If you're looking for make money online in a honest way, true way, you can check out these ones. And also remember, there's no such thing as easy, like everything requires hard work. Okay, so everything requires hard work. The titles and all those things might be attractive and stuff. That is because that is what it is. That is called thumbnails. Okay, so it has to be a little bit attractive for get the algorithm. But truly, if you really want looking to make money online, it requires hard work. That's the truth. Okay, that's most important thing I need to tell you that. Anyways, let's jump onto the first website. No, that's only one website actually. So here we go. This is sorry, not this one. Yeah, Money Pantry. Okay, I'm not sure you would have heard about this site. This is a site which is like part and parcel of all many people who do make money online. They know this website. So I'm just going to reveal this website to you, Money Pantry. And today, the most important reason why I told you 100, 200, $300 is it's not for everybody. Anybody who is good at writing, because I do so many videos. Somebody who want to do typing, somebody who want to do voice recording, somebody who want to do thumbnails. There are lots and lots of different ways to make money if you have that skill. So today, this video is about making money through writing blog articles. You can see this: get paid to write 101 sites that pay you for $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Forget the $3,000. Let's stick to that $50, $100. That's why I always never want to overhype and tell. This is a recently updated post on 5th of February. That's the reason I thought let you know guys about this new opportunity, which is like if you come down here, there is no investment required. You don't have to pay any startup fee. The pay is relatively fast. This is like if you go down, keep going down. If you see this, it says what all about. Okay, these are different ways to make money. Forget that. Because today the main thing is I want to show you how you can start making money writing articles. Even if you're not good at writing articles, I'll show you some kind of a black hat ways if you can stick till end of the video. But that's not really I suggest. But this, if you're good at writing articles, go for this way to make money. If not, because always everybody has some weaknesses and struggle, I will always suggest you some black hat methods, but it's up to you how you want to go about. Okay, so let's see this one. Let's go down. See this: sites that pay you to write about vacation. See this: Transition Abroad is a site. They pay you $150 per post. This is like, I'm not telling you just go here, you have to write. If you're good at, when I say this means, what does it mean is you should have been travel somewhere, you should have a good experience on it, and you have to write about it, because this is all top websites. They are looking for articles. You can't just write some crap stuff and give to them and make money. Okay, so that's the reason certain websites are very particular on that topic, so you have to be good at that. So this is what it is. They pay you around $50 for travel related articles. So this should be a personal experience. You can see this, not some crappy ones, a proper personal experience ones. Then Wanderlust, you can see this is a famous website, Britain-based. Wanderlust targets a travel market as well. You need to write about, are known to have received $220 for the featured article. See this? And then Great Escape Public. You would have heard about these websites who all have been publishing online articles as well as magazines and stuff. So these people are taking from day-to-day people like us. If they have experience, you can go and write for them, and they are publishing it. So it's like you can't just take one and you can just leave it. You have to try 2-3 websites, depends upon your interest. when you keep going down, if you're not particularly specific on these things, you can always go and try this one. You can see Delta, Sky, Horizon. These are all magazines which are famous ones who are ready to pay money for blog, the people who are ready to write articles for them. Okay, there's a really good money, but I'm not trying to tell you that's the big money you can expect at the starting. I'm telling in the range of 50, 100, 200. Okay, come down here. This is what that's the reason I opened this website. Sites that pay you to write about general interest. See, Vibrant Life, 100 to 300 is a bi-monthly magazine with the focus of healthy living, physically, mentally, and spiritually. One very interesting fact that about is that they do accept already published articles under certain circumstances. So this is what I was trying to say. There are few websites which they will pay you in the range of 100 to 300 for general articles. Imagine just now they say healthy living, physically, mentally, whatever it is, like it's a general topic, not particularly travel, particularly this one. So this is general. It's a huge topic actually, healthy living. So if you go, just imagine, now this is where it is. Imagine you want to write for this Vibrant. If you go here, this is the website. You can see this: exercise, recipes, going green, family health. I'm sure you might be, some part of this you might be interested in. You might have been good at it. So you come here, you just see this one. Short articles about 450 to 650 words are always in demand. See this? This is really cool. No need to write like 1,000, 2,000 words article. Even just 450 words articles are in demand, and you have a good chance to get paid. Okay, so this is a website I wanted to show you as well. So how do you go about? Just imagine, this is, as I said, only for people who are good at writing articles. Just in case you want some hacks and stuff to go about writing for these websites, literally I'm telling you, these are all places people do make money. That's the truth. Okay, this is like I go to certain places where I ask for guest post. Somebody write an article, and then about my websites, and we ask them for a link from there. So it does happen. Similarly, this is not like that. This is for that magazine. They are taking articles from day-to-day people. So that's how they are making money. I mean, that gets published, and they sell the website, sell their articles, or they sell their magazines and stuff, and you are the people who are going to write for them. Okay, that's the concept. But in case if you ask me how do I go about, I don't know much. Not just this website. Vibrant, go down, keep going down. So the war cry. This is a magazine for Salvation Army. Every topic has their own thing. Guide posts. They accept articles based on true stories. Chicken soup for the soul. Okay, here is what they want. Tell a heartwarming, funny story about something that has happened to you or someone you know. So this is like, this could be a general article. You know what I mean? So power of living. It keep going. It's so much that pay you to write about short stories. It's like huge opportunities are there if you are really good at writing articles. Okay, this is what it is. This is the whole idea of this today's video. But what to do with Google? Just in case, if you just imagine for this website or anything, you go into Google and just give you an idea. You don't know anything to write. Just let my field is make money online. Just let me say ways to make money online. Okay, just I'm in my concept. No, I'm not into healthy living or stuff. So if you come into Google, you see so many sites here. It tells you 21 ways to make money, 25 ways to make money, 40 ways to make money. There are so much articles out here. But there are two things. One is you can just literally go here. Out of this website, my famous ones are Quora. Okay, that could be my hack for today for you guys. So let me go put Quora here. I just opened actually here. Where is this? Yeah. Okay. I went and put in 10 ways to make money online, or anything. You come and type in healthy living, whatever. Let's type in healthy living. That's the topic you're talking, right? Healthy living. So let's see what comes up with. This is a website which is a very secret kind of website. Many people don't know, where people come and ask questions, and you get like everybody, like people like me, every day people can go and answer. This is what the specialty of this website. Question answer website, and this has huge authority, Quora, in Google's eyes. So whatever it is here, it's some way or other, might be crap, might be good, whatever it is there. What do you do? What are simple ways to healthy living? Just click in. Lots of things are there. You come here, 40 answers are there. You keep going. So much you can get from here. To be honest, you can just like that come here, take this stuff here, just see, copy, go to Google, what is that thing, where did I open that, Google Docs, come here, copy it, paste. So you basically you're copy pasting the stuffs from somebody's article. Okay, it's, to be frank, it's not the honest way. This is called plagiarism. You can't copy and paste somebody's thing. But okay, I copied almost so much, I think. Okay, so you don't take like this. So what I'm trying to say is, you get an idea from different people's perspective. This lady has written about this one, this guy has written about something, so you get points from different people's ideas, right? So from here, two things you can do. If you, in Google's eyes, I'm talking about, of course it is a disclaimer, that's like, it's not, it's a black hat method, but I'm telling you a way where you can get inspired and you can avoid plagiarism. There are a few ways to avoid plagiarism. Is like, I mean to say, in terms of Google's eyes, you copy these things, go to an spin rewriter, which my favorite one, which is spin rewriter, where you go and rewrite. Because I do something called mass page sites, because it's very hard if you're doing mass page sites and write articles for each blogs. So I do in a different way. I'll tell you, might be it's a different thing. What I do is I just come and copy paste here and then spin, just press rewrite article. You get a unique article in Google's eyes, which is completely unique. Okay, that's one hack to do, which is, that's your wish. I'm not telling you to go and do it, but I'm just telling you a hack where you can do such methods. But other thing is, to avoid plagiarism, read this thing. What other thing with this Google Doc has is very good, interesting stuff. Come and read everything, one paragraph, write on your own style. Right, come and read, write on your own words. That's more than enough. Might be we are talking only at 400, 500 words, right? So why not? It will take, might be 1 hour, 2 hours. Just go through it and read it in your, write it in your own sentences. So you are safe on all sides, okay? And other method is, you no need to write. See this, go here, tools. There's something called voice typing. You come here and just press this and keep talking. Hi guys, how are you? There are different simple ways of living online, healthy living. And one of the best ways to might be get up early in the morning and start walking. That's the best exercise. You know what I mean? Whatever I'm talking in this mic is getting recorded. Can you see the power of it? You don't need to go and sit and write. You can also get inspired from here, and you can say the simple way to choose your consume each day. You can try to avoid sugary carbonated drink. You know what I mean? So you already, it's not going to be completely perfect. You need to do some editing. You can see there's some Arabian, some words have come. You need to edit some words. But I'm trying to say is, even if you had to copy paste something, you can always read through it same time or same in a different tab or something, keeping it, read through it with your own sentences and get your own article done. It's such a quick way to do it, guys. See, as I read, it's getting written it. What else do you want? It's making you more comfortable. That's the power of Google technology. I'm not sure many people know this technology. This is a very good hack. I just want to tell you guys, you can, no need to go into plagiarism. You can always get inspired and write your own article. See, it keeps writing. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is the idea. In case if you want to write articles and make money and still you don't want to write, you can always use this technology and also get inspired from all those Quora answers. That's one thing. If not, if you have some money, go to Fiverr. These people, right? I just wrote writing articles. See this, for $10, they are ready to write and give you articles. I'm sure it's depends upon the size of the article. They're going to ask you more, but I'm sure it'll be good enough for 400, 500 words article. Like $10 should be perfectly fine. And you can, whatever the topic you want, you can ask them. I'm not sure what kind of technology they use. They also might be using these technology which I showed you. They can't be writing right easily. They whatever coming in the mind, their words, or they might have some articles. They can just read through it and put together and give it to you. Anyway, I've given you that hack as well. So this is another way. If you have money to spend, pay here, get the article, go to websites like Vibrant, and this moneypantry.com is huge list of websites, guys. Many people don't reveal this website actually, because it's many ways of me and many other top marketers only give during their online courses. So that's a cool way, hack actually. You come here and get some, I'm talking about blog articles. There are lots of other ways to make money as well, but this is mainly to do with people who have that specific skill to write articles. They can come and make money from here. That's it, guys. That's all about today's video, how to make money with Google. You can go Google and do searches, and you can also copy from there. But I'm trying to say is, don't just literally go copy. make use of this Google technology as well as Google search, and then you can start making money with that. That's it, guys. Hope you got some value out of it. If that's the case, please drop a comment and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will really help me to grow my channel. I totally appreciate that. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.